Hello, and we had a 50-minute break, but a power cut occurred, and while I was doing it, my house blew up. Yeah, my lovely house blew up. Now I lost all my stuff. Didn't know where it went. Just gonna do that. It was the most beautiful house in the whole. Yeah, the creeper destroyed it. Look at that. Look at it. So annoying. I have to start from scratch. We comment down below if you think we should do some troll wars. It'll be fun. If you don't know what troll wars is, technically it's where you troll your friends. Oh, baby zombie, baby zombie. Oh, I hate you. I hate you. I hate you. I hate you. I hate Pete. Ah! Oh my god! Oh my god! Ah! Ah! No! 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 Oh my! Oh no! 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 Ah! Oh no! No! I'm gonna break. I'm breaking out. Dun, 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 no, 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 no. 2 hours later. Oh, that's actually quite good timing. We have to break this. Dun, 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 dun. It's like a maze. It's a little... No. Leave a like, subscribe, and slap the bell, and then comment down below if I should make a like. So you know mazes and maze and you know there's right things to go and wrong things to go. I'm going to try and build. Whoa, it's cool. A build one. Technically, you have to break all the blocks and find the way. So you can't go in F5 mode or F1. Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Ooh. It out. I have found the light. Oh. Hey, is this where I spawned? Is it? For once I see the light, and then I fall and I get burnt and die. Now I'm just trying to escape this landscape. Bam, bam. Come on, I'm almost there. Get my ass protect. Oh, only I can make it. I wonder if I could wait. Oh, no. Wait, can I? No, no, I'm not making a jump. I'm nowhere near making a jump. I'm going to make it. Yeah, that's supposed to jump. I think. Is this a possible jump? Oh! Yes, it is. Yay, finally. Oh, give me it. Give me the dirt. Wait. Yeah, I'm gonna hate stone and I'm gonna hate every single block in my life. That's very hard to break with your hands. No! Flip! I'm ready. Okay, good. Okay. Oh, that's actually good. Because I didn't. Oh, yeah, that's not good. Dun, 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 dun. Mm, 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 mm. Yeah. I'm just gonna literally just fix up like this patch that the creeper did. I am. Although the creeper should have patched this up. I don't get what block. I will break all these stabs until every single creeper dies. I will mine out this to kill all the creepers and to kill every entity. This is gonna be my swimming pool of the century. I'm literally making a swimming pool for you. Making a swimming pool. This so patch that up. I can patch that, 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 that. Oh, flip. At least, oh yeah, I need to mine. I need to, now it's getting dark. They said you didn't have to mine at night, but you can because I'm mining. I am mining now. It is steps. Okay, now properly steps. Now it's break, break, break. And when it went off, this is actually part three. Three. Ha. Whoa! I'm just gonna mine until all of this is gone. Almost done. This is how you make steps in Minecraft. Yeah. So, what you need to do is you do that, then you do that, do that, and bam, got yourself some stairs. Yeah. Okay, now let's patch the rest of this up. Go. Let's just do that. That's actually make a. I can't. No, that triggered me. I'm just gonna make a roof out there. Oh, that's actually pretty sweet. Don't mind that night. You can't boss me, so you can't say if I can mine at night or not. You can mine at night. I wouldn't recommend it. Could you see what happened when I mined at night? Before it's really crazy. It's like really creepy. That's what they mean. Don't mine because it's creepy. What? It? Sorry. Wait. Flip! I'm just gonna go in my house, patch it up, make some windows. Let's do that. Yeah. Ah. Ah. Okay, I'm just gonna destroy this block. Then I'm gonna knock down some wood. Remember last episode, I actually made a wooden pickaxe, no, stone pickaxe, a stone axe, and a stone sword, and guess what happened? A creeper blew up. As soon as the video ended, a creeper blew up and did everything. That's why I'm so annoyed. But that's not gonna stop me this time. Cause not. Let's go over here. I'm gonna make a shovel first. Shovel. All I'm gonna make. Then I can mine up some sand. We're on, creeper. We're on. Run, 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 run. Run, 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 run. Yes, 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 yes. Come on, come on, come on, let's go, let's. Whoa. Okay. Ah. Okay, okay, back, 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 back. Barricade, barricade. Ah. Safe. We are safe. Time, time, set, day. We're insane outside. No, I can get. Wait, I need a sword. I'm gonna unbarricade the door. Should have really done that, but then I might have forgotten what they are. I'm just gonna do one thing. I'm gonna just make a sword quickly. Fight. Attack! A witch. Hello. I'm gonna kill it. I'm gonna kill you. I'll be okay. I swear. Boom. That was pretty simple, actually. If you remember from last episode.